Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert watermark in WPS Office. So if you want to do it, first you need to move your cursor to the upper side and then you need to click on Page Layout tab. Now you will see here some really useful functions, but we are interested in to click on watermark settings. We need to click on this one arrow. And now you can find here preset watermarks. I recommend you to click on Add button to add here a custom watermark. Then you can select if you want to use picture watermark or text watermark. For example, I select here text watermark and now I need to type here a text that I want to use. For example, I type here simple tutorial. Then we can select the font that we can use. I'm going to set here default font. So I click on it, but of course you can change it if you want. You can change the size. I recommend you to set here auto. You can change the color. And I recommend you to modify format. I will change it from horizontal to diagonal. And of course you can modify transparency level. I will change it to 45. And then we can edit placement. It may be applied to whole document or to this section. So I select here whole document and I click OK button. Then our watermark should be inserted on the watermark list. So we need to click on it. And then we need to click on our watermark that we have already created. So I click on it. And how you see, it has been successfully inserted to our document. So in this way you can easily insert watermark in WPS Office. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.